Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you dey watch me from. My name na Chivera. One of my friend, my classmate call me for phone, tell me say im dey see me for social media oo, say abeg, say I fit help am narrate her story for social media, for my social media handle. I say sure, I go fit do am now, na my work be dat. So dis no be your regular, no be your regular be dis. So dis one na real stories but I no go use their real name for dis story wey I wan tell una, so dat una go help me look into am. She tell me say make I talk am for public, say because sometimes, no be sometimes, always pipu opinion dey count, and sometimes you go get the real thing, the real advice wey you need from pipu's opinion. I come tell am say yes, na true, say one person no dey know finish. So she come tell me the story. I come say make I bring the story for my channel dis morning, make I see how pipu go take narrate or give their own advice or their own opinion for dis matter. So the matter wey dey ground be say, make I call the two friends as make I call am make I call their names, Patience and Joy. So now Patience and Joy, dey be friends right from when dey dey small, when dey dey, dat is childhood friend, when dey dey grow up. So now Joy dey stay for Lagos, Patience dey stay for Port Harcourt. So now dey dey talk as singles, when dey dey single, two of dem, yes, now two of dem don marry. When dey dey single, dey dey always talk. When dey don depart from each other, dey don go their various ways after dey live together in one particular city. Dey come go their various places, everybody go dey arrange itself, go dey dey hustle for life. So Patience wey dey stay Lagos come come dey call Joy, dey ask am how far. Dey dey always talk for video calls, dey tell theirself see how e be, see how e be. So dey dey ask theirself things about marriage, how far, anybody for your side, anybody for your side. So Joy wey dey Port Harcourt now come dey tell Patience one day say she don tire, though she dey work, say she don tire, say she wan quit her job. So Patience now come dey tell Joy say why you wan quit your job, you never marry. If you quit your job now, e go dey easy for you to dey answer any call, any random call wey come your phone, even though you no wan you no wan accept or go respond to the call, you go respond to am. Even though you no wan comot, you go comot by force because you dey idle. But if you dey work, respect go dey. So na the advice wey Patience dey give Joy be dat. So finally Patience come stay put for dat job, she no quit again. So dat month wey she wan quit, wey Patience advice am say make she no quit, na she come meet dis guy. Dis guy wey she meet, she come tell Patience say see oo, e get one guy wey come do program for our company oo. I no know, the guy dey look me somehow oo. Meanwhile, me sef I like the guy as e be. So Patience come tell am say okay fine, say if the guy give you green light, make you also give am green light, make you accept am. If na something, make we see whether something good go come out of am. So Joy come accept. Finally Joy and the guy come start to dey date. Finally, e still dey communicate with Patience, dey tell am things as things dey go, he and the guy. So finally, communication, Joy and Patience communication come stop. Patience no come dey hear from Joy again. All of a sudden, from nowhere, after like 6-7 months, Patience come hear from another of their friend wey know she and Joy as friends. Come hear from am say Joy wan marry. The Joy now no come tell Patience say she wan marry. Dis na 2 weeks before the wedding oo, na Patience dey hear about Joy marriage to dat guy wey e meet for im working place. So Patience come say okay, no problem, say but Joy no tell am. So the person wey tell Patience come dey tell Patience say no, say she dey heavily pregnant, say maybe that's why she no tell you, or she dey busy. So you know pregnancy na, so maybe so many things don dey her head, so she no remember. Na Patience come tell am say she no remember her, she wey be her friend, she no remember her. Say well, no problem, Patience no see am as anything. So dat 2 weeks wey Patience take hear am, Patience still come dey prepare for the marriage, because where dey go do the marriage na another city from Lagos, na Port Harcourt city wey Joy dey. So Patience get to prepare herself to go from Lagos to Port Harcourt. So now Patience come call Joy come dey ask am say wetin dey happen, say she hear say Joy dey prepare for her marriage, say how far? Joy come tell am say abeg make she no vex, say things full her head, say no be say she forget am bla bla bla, you know things na. So Patience come no carry am for mind, no think am as anything, come tell am say okay now wetin be your asoebi? You go send asoebi abi you go send me the colour or the material make I buy am for Lagos here, so dat e go dey easier instead of you to dey stress yourself say you dey send asoebi and all dat. So Joy come say okay say e go send am the material. E come send Patience the material for her WhatsApp. So Patience come go see am, come view am, come go market go buy am. Under 1 week, Patience come prepare herself, buy the material, sew am for her Lagos, come prepare to go for the marriage. So finally, Patience come go Joy marriage. She no even go Joy marriage alone, she come pick some of her friends too, dem dey like 5 go Joy marriage for Port Harcourt. Okay now, before Patience go, Patience tell me say before she go, say she go her bank go collect mint 200 naira mint of dat time, say money still dey big. Say she collect 200 naira mint of 25,000 wey she go spray Joy. So as she come go now, she come carry her friends come go dat marriage day. Dis na traditional marriage / white wedding, but she no know about the white wedding, na the traditional marriage na im she dey go for. So she come carry her friends come go the marriage. As dem reach the marriage ground, everywhere dey rowdy. Joy mama come see Patience, come welcome her because e know im pikin and Patience. So e come welcome am well well. Na dat welcoming wey Joy mama give Patience na im make Patience dey happy say at least the mother welcome am very well. So Patience come dey eager, come dey find Joy, say where Joy? The happiness, make she go embrace am, tell am congratulations and all dat. Dat time Patience never marry. So now Joy don dey find Patience, the mother come carry Patience don dey find Joy, sorry. The mother come carry Patience come dey go where Joy dey dress up. So reaching there na, the mood wey Patience dey, the mood wey she dey go dey find Joy, e feel say if she reach where Joy dey, say Joy go die for im body or die for im body as friend, or she go surprise Joy. I mean na wetin Patience carry for mind go. As she reach there, dat joy wey dey inside her mind, Patience mind, as e reach there see Joy no come do like say she even welcome Patience sef. She come just dey yes, she dey with friends, she dey with other of her friends wey dey help her arrange herself. But Patience wey come from far, she no even do face like say she know Patience at all. So dis story long oo. E be like say I go cut am here. I go continue the story for another another day update.